How to add collaborators to Wix website. If you would like to add collaborators to your Wix website, it's actually quite very simple to do so. All you have to do is go ahead and then first of all, make sure to open up your browser. Once you open up your browser, you will see this type of interface right here. Now, what you have to do from here is once you're inside a login page, right? So once you are inside your site's dashboard, you want to add a collaborator to this site so that they can help you build the site and maintain it together. On the left hand side, you want to go to the option called settings, as you can see from the bottom left here. And from here, you have to simply scroll a few steps below. And here you can see under general an option called roles and permissions. So it says invite collaborators to work on this site and assign their roles and permissions. So you want to click on it. And once you click on that invite collaborator option, you can simply invite a collaborator and manage their role. So you can choose to invite them with their email. You can add up to 10 emails here, and you can send invites and they will be able to help you manage your site together. I hope this video helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next video.